For our group presentation, we will be introducing Translate Survey featured on Qualtrics. Qualtrics is a private research software company based in Utah. The company was founded in 2002 by Scott Smith, Ryan Smith, Jared Smith, and Stuart Orgel. Qualtrics software enables users to do many kinds of online data collection and analysis, including market research, customer satisfaction and loyalty, product and concept testing, employee evaluations, and website feedback. With Translate Survey, you can add multiple languages to a single survey. Each participant will see the survey in a language they're comfortable with. And because there's just one survey containing all translations, all results will come back into the same data set. In addition, the purpose for Translate Survey not only adds various languages, but makes collecting survey easier and can reach out to more diverse as well as a larger audience. Step 1. Log into your Qualtrics account and choose the survey you want to work with. Once you have access and reviewed your survey, click the Edit tab on the top right. And click Advanced Options on the right side, then choose Translate Survey. Step 2. Translate Survey is divided into two halves. On the left, you'll see your base language, or the language your survey was originally written in. On the right half of the screen will be blank with the option to add language. Click on Add Language, and from the menu that appears, select any translations you would like to add to your survey. Then click Close. At any point, you may switch your language you are working on by clicking the Language drop-down menu. Step 3. The right half of the screen will now include text for one of your new languages. To start out, the text will be the same as the text in your base language. Click on this text to type in or paste in a translation. To switch between questions, use the arrows on the top right of the translation. To speed up your survey development process, you can pre-populate your survey with an automatic machine-generated translation. This is done by clicking the percentage completion button on any untranslated question. Because machine translations are prone to error, we don't recommend using this as the final translation you share with participants. Rather, this can save time when working with a professional translator, as they will only need to clean up this existing translation rather than starting from the scratch. Step 4. At any point, you may check the status of all your translations by clicking the Translation Overview grid on the top right of the Translate survey. The purpose of the Translation Overview accurately checks that the survey is completely translated to the language selected. Qualtrics provides other options to further enhance the usefulness of this Translate feature. If you don't have the resources for your own professional translation, consider using our paid translation service on the Edit Survey tab. With this survey, your survey is translated and reviewed by two native speakers of the language to ensure accuracy. The translation is then uploaded into your account with no extra work needed on your end. Qualtrics can also track what language participants use to take the survey, and this information is stored in an embedded data field called QLanguage. This is done by clicking Display Logic. Choose Embedded Data on the drop-down menu. Then on the box, type in QLanguage. Then type in language code. Later, you will be able to view the embedded data. Next, we're going to show a survey demonstration of how the Translate feature is shown in the perspective of a survey participant. Once published, the participant will be able to access the survey. Then they can click the tab on the right to choose their preferred language. Once selected, the survey will automatically change to their preferred language. As you can see here, the language would automatically transition throughout the survey questions. There are a few other applications that have this type of language option. The first is SPSS. Open the SPSS application, then click Edit at the top of the window. A drop-down menu will open. Select Options from the drop-down menu. The Options dialog window will open. Click the General tab, then click the drop-down menu box next to Language on the right side of the window. Select the language you want to use from the drop-down box, then click the Apply button. Next, click OK. The second application is Tableau. Tableau Desktop is localized into several languages. When you first run Tableau, it recognizes your computer locale and uses the appropriate language if it is supported. If you are using an unsupported language, the application defaults to English. You can configure Tableau to display the user inference by choosing Help, then choose Language. After you change the setting, you'll need to restart the application for the changes to take effect. You do not need to change the setting for every workbook.